Hello, good evening. Today I'm going to give a little revelation about the future of some of the most important artists in the industry. Starting with a really polemic, really controversial artist, but also really loved for his many talents. We're going to talk about the iconic Donald Glover. Now, in his career, I can clearly see that he's not dropping an album today or this year, so we can add that to the count. But he's definitely going to have a comeback in some way. It could probably be a movie, it could be a series, it could be any kind of apparition, but he's going to have a great return to the celebrity world and the theater world. In his love life, I can see it. It's revealed to me that he's still going to be happily married and seeing his kids grow, so no worries about that aspect. He's going to have a really healthy and good relation with his wife and kids. His personal life, there's a bit of doubt, a bit of mystery. It seems there are some signals of a really close betrayal. Someone near his most well-known congrats will turn his back on him eventually. But that's everything we have for this artist. Let's move on. The next celebrity is also part of the music industry. Is a very famous with a very long history of success and a very huge history of conflicts. We're talking about uh, Kanye West. Now I can see that in his career there's a bit of a bit of negative energy. It seems like he's going to have many problems with his sponsors, his companions of the industry. He's definitely going to face a huge time of crisis. But it seems like there's nothing that will end on a complete finish. It seems he will know how to reinvent himself and rise to the top again. In his love life, it's clearly obvious he won't come back with his ex-wife. That's a completely lost opportunity. It seems that of the way he's going to take, it's really disturbing in the aspects of his love life. It seems he will have many affairs, many complicated relationships that won't turn out to be really ideal. And in his personal life, I can see that he's suddenly going to experience a lot of joy near his friends, near his close circles, but that's only a signal to be prepared in order to face the most complicated times in the future. Now about the last one here in the list, we're going to talk about Drake. He's also one of the top members of the celebrity business, and the music industry.